All right. Hey guys, thank you for watching my content. So the reason I'm making this video is for two reasons. One, I just published a book. That's the main reason. Go ahead and check it out. It's just introduction to EMT. It's a history of EMS. Operations is in there. EMT Wellbeing. That's just pretty much it. There's two more books coming, one on medical and one on trauma. The other reason is I just opened up a shop. So if you guys want some hoodies from EMT Made Easy, some t-shirts, some mugs, some tote bags, whatever, I'd appreciate it. There should be a link in the description. If not, something will pop up somewhere here. And if you're watching this on my shop, you're on my website for the shop, I appreciate you so much. You purchasing the book and or anything on this website is only going to help support the channel so I can make better quality content and a podcast that should be coming out here pretty soon. All right, thank you so much. Bye.